Sahitya Academy pen Karbi Oral Literature Putak Krung Sai Kibi. Charles Darwin Asunangka Chetong Dun pen Assam University Difu Campus pen International Conference Kapachut. Parokwa Higher Secondary School along Surihini Kretroxi and Inkana Parman Freshers Meet Asai Kedeng. Kardom Yili Karbi Birta Thanbang Samidurmi BP Nonarchikta Birtang Ton Pen Karbi Lamet Abai Sahitya Academy Lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Atum Kachara Pen Chiti Inkorakatom Arni Karbi Oral Literature Putak Krung Sai Padu Karbi Lamtang Alamet Lapen Karbi Hirbang Lapen Kaprek Akhaya Hirbang Ahir Jira Putak Krung Sai Jiapan Chiti Inkorakatom Arni Difu Farmer Growth Center along Jaimek Amo Pangcheng Pontanglo Ninian Kapadoji Lasso Akrung Sai Chiti Inkorakatom Arni Nongnam Kedo Alamet Po Rongbong Terangsi Ingpupon Krung Sai Kangpu Amayalong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council IEM Rup Singh Deron Bodo Advisory Board Amai Pu Premonanda Musahari Sahitya Academy Sai Pu Gautam Paul Lapen Lamet Lamchong Kachinghon Abang Pu Bang Piatum Chetongdun Non Tok Lang Akaya Hut Karbi Alam Tang Ketok Lapen Kirim Kenang Soda Putak Aluhiatum Mayalong RDP Dam Assam University Difu Campus History Department pen Chitini Pai Inkora Hini Arni pen Kapangcheng International Conference Amo Chiti Inkora Kethom Arni Papleng Pontanglo. The Politics of Difference Lasso Putak Lurchi Lurcha Alam Kachingwai Lapen Kachiniji Apan Assam University Difu Campus History Sai Kampen Campus Ahem along Panini International Conference Pado International Conference along Pachaton pen Technical Session Lapen Jutang Ratchari Kacheprek Aputak Tetan Chemumpon Conference along Charles Darwin Asumate Oxford University Architect Kere Dr. Felix Padel Edinburgh University pen Dr. Michael Hennis pen Chenglong India Angkang Lapen Nihang Nitur University Athanbang Abang Puabang Piatum Nang Chetongdun Karbi Athanbang Lapen Charlie Wam Abang Puabang Piatum Ta Conference along Metang Kaboche Alam Te Paklangdun Rinti Parokwa Higher Secondary School along Chitini Pai Inkorakatom Arni Pining Surihini Kretroxi and Inkana Parman Freshers Meet Kapado Pon Pusi Perangkepen Birtanang Pale Pining Mate 2017 and Inkana Parman Parokwa Higher Secondary School along Freshers Meet Kapado Pon Freshers Meet Kapado Pon Ahud Higher Secondary along Akimilo Charlia Risoa Jangatum Amen Kachataptun Atumpen Chipachinia Sai Padopon Lapen Higher Secondary ke Charlie Bomb Atumpen Ason Ason Lun Lapen ke Kanhahui Paklangpon Lo Thanbang Runima Sharma Lapen Mamuni Putia Tumpen Higher Secondary School along Lo Charlie Bomb Atumapan Kanghon Pen Amen Akay along Akimangason Haihuita Karju Padopon Parokwa Higher Secondary School Principal Munaji Monimpen Kachipaterpi Pon along Bang Inkoy Ratrok Lo Thanbang Atumta Chirap Chetudunsi Freshers Meet ke Padopon Asai Mesen Pen Pachun Ponlo Dengang Pen Robin Beabirta Kat News Dilai Police Station Angkang Nahorjan Kanyatok Bi Arong Along Aunaga Auso Langke Jangpen Apran Kedam Chitini Pai Inkora Kethom Arni Tili Hini Apor Malong Pen Dilai Police Station Angkang Gedo Nahorjan Kanyatok Bi Arong Along Inut Aunaga Auso Artanikan Kripli Langke Jangpen Apran Kedam Pusi Birta Ripdun Long Birta Bang Kalapon Sikang Ton Igla Lang Igbom Takat News Channel Domi Thakme Kurwang 2